welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, don't mind all that, video's coming soon. I'm excited to show you guys, really excited. But today's video is going to be about my blue favorite dip powders. So I like doing favorites videos and talking about the things I love and stuff like that. And my first favorites video was a purple favorites. So my second favorites video is going to be of my absolute all-time favorite color of the rainbow, and that is blue. So I actually even like rose to the occasion and put on like a blue dress for y'all. Hey, back fat, what's up? So I have all of my favorites actually saved to my phone here, and I'm just gonna go through all of them and talk about all of them and then show you guys all the photos the same way that I did on my purple favorites video. And the reason I did purples first is because purple is like my least favorite color. So let's get started. I'm going through this list and I'm trying to find my absolute like all-time favorite, and it's an all powdered up color. So I'm going to start there. So if you have seen the color Autumn Sky from All Powdered Up, and you're going to look at this and be like, that's not blue. It is. It is blue. It's blue and brown and golden brown, and it's an absolutely gorgeous color. So fall is my favorite season and blue is my favorite color. So you mix that with these two, it feels like my dreams just came true. Like my favorite dip powder, my favorite dip powder of all time is alive. It exists. It's Autumn Sky, my all-time favorite dip powder of all time, Autumn Sky. I even actually did a mani with it. Where is that mani? Right here. And I did a video on that mani. Hey! And I used Autumn Sky, but here is a mani by Mimi Nails. She actually did a much beautiful job than I did. So if you look at her mani, you can see Autumn Sky in all of its beauty and glory. It's just so stunning. Love that mani by Mar. So moving on to, I'm gonna go back to the tippy top the way I have things saved. I just put Autumn Sky at the top of my list because that's my all-time #1 favorite blue dip powder, and it's a blue mix. Is my cat by the door? Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I have to let the cat out, but I like close my door so that people aren't like eavesdropping on me talking about blue dip powder for 20 minutes. Okay, so I actually wore this one recently, and it helped me appreciate the color so much more. But Mani Boss has this color called You're My Boy Blue. It is so freaking stunning. It's absolutely beautiful. It's blue. It's blue. It's literally blue, and the shimmer is just out of this world. I love that color, hands down. Okay, this next color, it is by no surprise that Soul Dip has made it on this list. She's an incredible company, by the way. But Blue Margarita, it is a color changer. I believe it's a thermal that goes from like a light blue white color to a more like medium blue. Is she hollering for someone again? I'll just let my cat do her thing. It's absolutely stunning. I love this color. It's absolutely beautiful. That's about all I have to say about it. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so my next favorite color, I actually wore it recently, and I'm sad that it's not a permanent line color. It's an exclusive. It is Triple D Diva Dip number 17. It is like on the almost purple cusp. It's like a blurple. It leans more blue though. So it is called Diva Dip 17. It doesn't have a name, it's just number 17 from her Diva box, and I fell in love with just how electric this color is. I wouldn't say it's neon, it's just vibrant. It's really in your face, and it's absolutely stunning. I have to get my cat. Okay, so this next color is from Glam Co, previously known as Diva Dip, and this color is called Desert Stone. It is a beautiful, like, I'm very bad at describing colors, so don't expect me to give you a tone. It's just beautiful. How about that? I wore it recently, glossy, not recently, like over a year ago, glossy and matte, and I absolutely loved this, and I even paired it with like some nail polish. So at this rate, I'm never gonna get this video done. Okay, so this next color favorite is another retired. This breaks my heart. It is called Merica, and it's by All Powdered Up, and I love this color. She released it last year for 4th of July, as you guessed it, And I love that it's not only red and blue, but it has like that aqua color in it, so it just makes it so different from every other 4th of July mix out there. My goodness, I like a lot of retired dips. Okay, so one of the very, very older from 2018 dip powders that I fell in love with from Revel Nail was their June Gift of Revel shade. It is a perfect light blue. I actually wore this one several times. I love this color. It's one of my favorite blues, like tippy top of closer to the top of the list. It is on the same spectrum as Desert Stone. As you can tell, I really like that lighter blue vibe, but I also like the darker blue vibe. And then this next one, I think it qualifies as a blue because it glows blue. Although it's white, it glows blue. Therefore, it is a blue. So, Illuminate is one of their best glow dip powders. It's white, it's classy. I've worn this multiple times. Love, 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 love this color. My cat. And back on the older Revel train, Namaste from their Wanderlust collection, which is one of their very, very first themed collections with their dip powder and mates sets. Anyways, that was one of their first. Namaste was one of the colors in the set, and I absolutely love that one. It's absolutely beautiful. Love, 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 love. Okay, so this next color, I'm going to show you guys a manicure because I feel like their website swatch kind of sucks. But Baltic Sea, which is from their Sea Glass collection that they released this year, it's absolutely stunning. It's even prettier in person than this photo is showing you guys, so one of my favorites. And then going back to a color that is exclusive, this breaks my heart. It's kind of similar to All Powdered Up's Merica, except for this one has a white in it, and Merica doesn't, and Merica has darker blue, and this one doesn't. So I really love how Sparkle & Co. did this color. It's aqua and red and white, so it's really red, white, and blue per se, but it's a different take on red, white, and blue, and I really like that non-traditional red, white, and blue vibe. And then taking it back to, oh man, so many retired colors. Oh, this is breaking my heart. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, this color is TS from their Teen Sparkle line from 2019. I'm so sad that they retired this line. Like, why? It was so good. So blue, orange, and white, so original with the name. This color is just cute. I really like the color combo of the orange and the aqua. It does really, really well there. And then the hints of white. I think it's just altogether a perfect color. And then, ooh, I love this one for two reasons. One, because it's blue, clearly. It's a gorgeous teal blue. But two, because it was inspired by Candice or CJ from Candy Skincare. So, more reasons to love it. Ooh, this one, I wanted all three. Party in the USA. I love this one. This one actually came out 2 years ago in their I Want It All sub bag. But I love it. It's a beautiful, beautiful blue. This type of blue is totally my style. Okay, so this color is from Ritzy Dips, and I think it qualifies as blue. It's like a dusty blue. It's not blue in your face. Plus you can see like the hints of orange in there, but it's called Dusk, and it's really stunning. It's just a different take, and I really, really love that. Oh, we're going back into sea glass territory. So if you don't know who Luminous Dips is, you definitely need to check them out. They came out with a sea glass collection last year. Revel, somebody beat you at it. But we're not in that game of who beat who. But her entire sea glass collection is stunning. So Trash Glass and Sea Glass are like my two favorite blues from that collection. She also has different shades in the Sea Glass collection, but Trash Glass and Sea Glass are a definite must-have look at if you're looking for sea glass colors. Okay, if you have not heard of Ciara's Nail Glitter World, you need to head over to her website or stalk her Instagram for her new releases, because this color, while it wasn't the one that brought me to her website, I think it was Toy Factory from her Christmas line, this one during Valentine's Day was her release. This one sold me on her, made me fall like head over heels into like love with her company. I just love it. So as you can clearly tell, I love it when any company mixes red and aqua together. There's just something so pretty about the two colors together. And it's funny because this is how much I like aqua blue. It's on this. It's on this. Oh, you can't really see it. It's on my tablet cover. I have more dresses than I can freaking count that are aqua blue. What else do I have that's blue? Oh, I got my Fujifilm camera. That one is aqua blue. I love that. And then I also got those binders over there that are blue. I just really love blue, especially aqua blue. One of my favorite. Turquoise, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Love it. Okay, so is that it? That's it. That's it. That's it. How is this the end of my like favorites? That's it? That's all the blues? I'm like literally shocked that it's all the blues. There's probably more that I just... So what I do in order to find the dip powders that I'm in love with, I go through my inventory. I actually keep inventory of my dip powders in an app on my phone. So I go through the inventory and I look at them and I'm like, yep, that one's my favorite. That one's my favorite. And I just download the photos so I can do this video. I can't believe it's just that many. How many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18's good. It's a good number. I think I covered a lot of ground there. Yeah, that's a good number. 18. I'm like, that's it, but like, let's be real. Most of it was aqua or dark blue because, what is it? Princess Diana's wedding ring, that dark blue. That dark blue, that's my favorite blue. Okay, if I stay here, I'm just gonna keep talking and talking and talking. So I think I'm gonna call it a night, and let me know in the comments below what color you want me to cover next as my favorite colors. So that's it for tonight, guys. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!